how to add money to Venmo. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can add money to Venmo, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Well, in order to add money to Venmo, first of all, download the Venmo app, open it up, log into your account, tap on the three lines icon from the top right hand side, then go to payment method. And then first of all, you have to actually add a payment method, right? Such as your bank account or your card. So basically just select add bank or card, then select the bank or card that you want to add. Now once you've added your bank or card to Venmo, you can add money by just clicking the option called manage balance and selecting add money button from the bottom. Once you tap on add money, over here you can enter the amount of money that you want to add to your Venmo. Then just tap on done, and as you do that, you'll find the option called next from the bottom. Just tap on it, and all you have to do is just tap on the add money button from the bottom in order to add money to Venmo. That is it for this video on how you can add money to Venmo. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.